we are going to measure the superstructure. So this is superstructural wall. So as you can see, the building that we have been making use of, we have been calculating this building in our previous class. We have been calculating the substructure. Now we are on superstructure. So this is what we call superstructure. So here we are going to measure the block wall and measure the reinforcement and measure the formwork. So let's move straight to our class. Okay, now we have block work, concrete work, and formwork, and reinforcement, and roof construction and finishes. So here we are going to start from block work. So block work, we have the total wall that we derive from our GAT during the time we were measuring substructural block wall. So you can see it. So this is the internal and the external. So we're able to derive our internal and external by taking off of the whole block walls. Now this is our final derived from it, which we say external plus internal, giving all this figure, and this is the for the depth for the foundation. So we are on superstructure. So here we can see that we have the total area of our wall, and the height of our wall is 3.60. So now we need to also, I added block wall on the column. So this is the block wall. See the block wall. If you look well, you will see that there is a block wall here. You will see it apart from this reinforcement column. So this one is block wall. This one is block wall, and I still have it this corner. This is the block wall. This is just a block wall. So that is what I added with the height. So we go back to the class. So from here we have understand how I was able to derive this height of this wall, and also the thickness of the wall. So this is for that shootout that I showed on that screen from that ArchiCAD. So now we are deducting the openings. So deduction of the openings, this is the width of our window, the width of our door, and the height of our door. And applicable to this, the width of the door and the height. And here we see the width of window and the length of window. So this is, the window is about 8. This door is about 3. This one is only one type. So this one is only one type, this window. So we still deduct the lintel level because the lintel is going to be reinforced. So that is why we deduct it. The lintel is not among the block. So that is for that. That is for that. So let's now after deducting this, we're able to minus the total number we have. First of all, we plus this one, this plus this, which is the main wall that we have. So then after this, we minus these figures, these openings, from the total number that we have in this. We minus it from these two numbers, which is the two walls without deduction. So we deduct these openings from the two figures, which finally, this is our final answer here. This is our final answer. So this is the total of opening. This is the total of opening minus these two walls without deduction. So that is how we derive it. So you can press your calculator and check. So from there we proceed to concrete. The parameter of our concrete is the external wall and the internal wall. So that is the parameter of our concrete.